Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to find out specific color on your website using your Google Chrome browser. So for example, on your Google Chrome browser, if you are browsing any website, so for example, I will open any website. So now what you need to do guys, just here in the top right side corner, you can get three dots option. Just click on it, scroll down and go to more tools. From here you can get the option developer tools. Just click and open it. Okay, now it will open the developer tool on your browser. As you can see guys, now you need to use the shortcut key. Hold control key plus shift key button and then press C from your keyboard. Okay, it will quickly launch the color picker on your browser. Now if you want to find out any color name, just move your mouse cursor to that color. After this guys, here you can get the details of your color, including color code, color name, everything, as you can see guys in this small box. So from here you can easily able to pick up any color on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.